Do you sneeze when you look at the sun? Ever step outside, look at the sun, and instantly achoo? You're not weird, you might be a photic sneezer. About 1 in 3 people have a thing called the photic sneeze reflex. When bright light hits your eyes, your optic nerve gets super stimulated, and that signal accidentally crosses into your trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing. Your brain basically confuses, "Ow, that's bright," with "time to sneeze." It's genetic, and scientists even call it the achoo syndrome, no joke.